Hello, we are Carolina.
I am Magnolia.
I am Yesenia.
And Diana.
And we are going to present a hamburger and milkshake recipe.
We are going to start preparing the hamburger. It is a very simple recipe and you can use a wide variety of ingredients of makes it delicious. For this one, we are going to use the following
Ingredients: lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, eggs, bread, sauces, burger meat. In this case, we are going to use this type of meat, but you can use whatever you want.
While the burgers are cooking, we are going to prepare the other ingredients and make it cool when it's done. We have to clean the lettuce and the tomato and onion and cheese. When the meat don't cook, fry the eggs. And put the top of the burger and the sauce and the enjoy.
Once we have finished the hamburger, we are going to start preparing milkshake. This is has where very simple. I need little ingredients.
Vanilla and cream will cure the flour, but it can be done of many different flavor. For example, chocolate, strawberry, banana, etc. Sure, you and on cup of milk ice.
First of all, mix in a bowl. The vanilla is cream with the milk and some is cubes. And using a blender, blend all the ingredients together until it gets a smooth texture. Then serve it in tall glass with a straw.